Hello friends, my name is Subrata Nandi. Today I will teach you the about the IDE software, the Java IDE software, how we can write the programs in a IDE software. Just go to Google Chrome, then type IDE software, IDE of Java. Then you can see there are many types of IDE in integrated development environment software in Java. I prefer basically the Eclipse. Eclipse is the best one for the developers. Eclipse. Go to the Eclipse downloads. Then go to the download 64-bit. Then download it from here, or you can see the file is here. I have downloaded it previously so that you can use it. Now you have to just after the download process install it, and then you can see that Eclipse Java Oxygen will be there in your desktop, and double click on it, and then it will start like this. Go to file, new. You can see that there is no Java projects are showing here. So what you can do, just go to Windows, perspective, open perspective, then Java, then go to file, then new, then Java project. Click on Java project, then project name. You can write your name or like hello world. Go to next, then finish. After the process is finished, go to buttons here. Go to the hello world. In hello world, you can see the src folder. In src folder, right click on it, then new, then class. Write your class name. Right, my name is hello world. I will return. Then click on public static void main, then finish. After the finish proceeds, then you can write it here. You can use the shortcut buttons like control space bar, so that you will pop up some menus, and then you can see the system out print to standard. First one will be selected, then hello world, then just go to run. Then you can see that hello world in the console, it's printing hello world. I will say about this something. This is like printf in C and C out in C++. Why? Because I am saying that because many of our students have a problem in like what we have to write to print any statements in Java. So I am telling like this. If you have a problem, then you will understood the problem. Then go to means the system. System is the here system dot out dot println. Println is the meaning that you will print in a new line. I will show another thing that I will use shortcuts, control space bar, then my name is Subrata Nandi, then run. You can see that it's in a new line, so my name is Subrata Nandi. If I just print it only, if I don't do ln, then it will print the in the same line. This and this will be in the same line. Oh, sorry, this println have to just, then it will print in a same line. You can see that it will hello world and my name is Subrata Nandi is printing in the same line. Because of this, you can also write like this, but you should use ln so that you can differentiate between this. Hello world, my name is Subrata Nandi. Now I will show you how to scanner, write anything. Scanner is the system, means is in the Java, scanner is in the means in Java, then write s or something like object. I will tell about this s, what is s you have written, write new, then scanner. Scanner, in scanner you write system dot in. What it is doing is that first you are writing scanner. Scanner means it is like in C++ and scanf in C. C. You can think like this. You can think like this. Scanner is basic thing is to scan any element. What we are giving the input, it will just scan it. Like I will give my name, then S will be capturing the means just taking the input. Scanner is the taking for input. Like I have to take a input of integer n. So I will write n equals to s dot next int. Next int is used Next int is used for the integer, taking the integer as an input, and I will print it. And I will have to write 10, then it's showing that 10 is the output. So I can write like this, enter the number, enter the number. Then you can see this 10. It's here only that enter the number 10. I have to write ln for the next line, will print in new line. So just again enter the number 10. 10 will be printed. If you want to take double or float, what you have to write? Float x equals to s dot next float, x dot float, then system out. Now you can will show that this system float, you have taken in input float, and then right here float int float input. enter the 10, 11. You can see that float input is 11. So you can see that how to take input, and I will say about more something about how it is why I have write plus x here. It is because in Java it is concatenating the string with the number. This makes the first the float input is a string. It will concatenate with the x. Thank you for watching this video.